what's up, guys? I wanted to talk about a movement, a cash flow movement. Now, it's a few guys that is awake to the system, but I just want to put a lot of people up on this game. Cash flow movement, not far as a rental cash flow game, but a cash flow movement around creating home ownerships for other people. So, say for example, if you went through or you currently going through a situation where you have bruised or damaged credit, right? There's a lot of investors that are helping people and making good money at the same time. So say for example, if you have bruised or damaged credit, you can buy these houses and then you can sell them to other people. And it's just an amazing system. So a lot of people, they want to experience home ownership. I mean, you go through it's a lot of people I know, some relatives, they go through their whole life, and never had owned a home, never, purchased a home for themselves. And you can help people become homeowners. And it's just a beautiful thing for that person's family, for them individuals and for the family. So they can get to experience the home ownership. They create wealth for their family. They can pass it down. Some they can pass down to their kids and things like that. So there's a lot of investors that are creating systems and businesses where they can help people and still make good money as well. We call it the Affordable Housing Program. And basically what we do, we make the housing affordable for folks. So if you're going through a certain, like say, what if you had a business and your business, didn't work out like you wanted to work out and damaged your credit? Or say if you got sick and your credit got damaged for that, why should you be deprived of owning a home, right? Through our traditional system, you can't get a loan from the bank. Everybody's telling you no. Well, through our system, we telling you yes. Yes, you can become a homeowner. Yes, because a lot of people, they look at you, if you have bruised or damaged credit, it look like you as like a third world person or something, you know what I mean? So we're out here just trying to help as many people as possible, and that's what it's all about. So if you're interested in joining the movement, go to reisimple2021.com, reisimple2021.com, and learn the different strategies so you can implement them if you like. And say, for example, if something that you don't want to do, but you still want to support the movement, give us a call, 567-277-1235. And what we're trying to do is just help impact as many people as possible. This business has been good to me, and I'm just trying to just do the best that I can to help as many people out here as I possibly can. Talk soon. Peace.